Hello students, today we are starting a new chapter, quadratic equation, and in this chapter we studied first formation of quadratic equation. How can we form a quadratic equation? We know that well. The standard form of the quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, where a not equal to 0. This is the standard form of quadratic equation in which a never be equal to 0 and ax square plus c equal to 0. This shows the pure quadratic equation. Pure quadratic equation. Okay. So now in this video we discuss some problems in which we convert word problems into quadratic equation. So suppose that I am taking first word problem, normal and simple problem I am taking here. Suppose that the question is given, the product of two consecutive positive integer is 90. Form a quadratic equation by using which we can find the required positive integers. I am repeating my question. The product of two consecutive positive integers is 90. So form a quadratic equation. Okay. So let, according to language of question, let consecutive positive integers are x and x plus 1. Okay, so now according to question, x into x plus 1 equal to 90. Arrange this equation as x square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. This is required quadratic equation. After solving this, we can find the value of x, and after it we get consecutive positive integers as per our requirement. Now I am taking another question in which we convert the given word problem into the quadratic equation format. The question is that the sum of the squares of two consecutive positive integers is 181. Sum of the squares of two positive consecutive integers is 181. Form a quadratic equation by using we can find the required positive integers. So let numbers are x and x plus 1. According to question, x square plus x plus 1 square equal to 181. If we simplify this, so we have x square plus 2x plus 1 equal to 181. After arranging, so we have 2x square plus 2x minus 180 equal to 0. Divide by 2. So now we have x square plus x minus 90 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. After solving this, we get the value of x, and after it we find the required consecutive positive integers whose sum of the squares is 181. So this is the way of how can we convert the given word problem into the quadratic equation format. Now I am taking one more problem based on this The question is that sum of the ages of two friends is 30. Sum of the ages of two friends is 30. If 5 years ago the product of their ages is 175. I'm repeating again. The sum of the ages of two friends is 30 years. 5 years ago the product of their ages was 125. Find the present age of both the friends. So let present age of first friend be X and present age of second friend be 30 minus X, because the sum of the ages is 30. Now 5 years ago age of first friend X minus 5. 5 years ago age of second friend, what will be this? 30 minus X minus 5, that means 25 minus X. Present age was present age is X and 30 minus X. 5 years ago age of first friend X minus 5, and 5 years ago age of second friend 30 minus X minus 5. So now according to question, X minus 5 25 minus X equal to 75. Okay, I am repeating again my question. The sum of the age of two friends is 30 years. 5 years ago the product of their ages is 75. So find the quadratic equation by using which we can find the present age of both the friends. So now solving this, we have 25x minus x square minus 125 plus 5x equal to 75. Arrange this, so we have minus x square plus 30x minus 200 equal to 0. Arrange this, so we have x square minus 30x plus 200 equal to 0. This is the quadratic equation. After solving this, we have the value of x, and using this x we can find the present age of both the friends. So these are some important problems based on formation of quadratic equations. So first, when we start the study of quadratic equation, we prepared for formation of the quadratic equation according to given conditions, because during the examination at least one question is based on the formation of quadratic equation. I am taking one more important problem based on formation of quadratic equation. Suppose that the question is, a train takes 1 hour less time to complete the 300 kilometer journey if the speed of the train increased by 10 kilometer per hour. A train takes 1 hour less time to complete the journey of 300 kilometer if the speed of the train increased by 10 kilometer per hour. So let speed of train x kilometer per hour, distance traveled 300 kilometer. Okay, so time taken by train, you know that well, speed equal to distance upon time, so time equal to distance upon speed and the time in coming hour. When speed increased by 10 kilometer per hour, so new speed become, what is the new speed now? The new speed become x plus 10 kilometer, because previous speed was x kilometer per hour, so x plus 10 kilometer per hour. Now time taken by train equal to 300 upon x plus 10. यहां पर आपका जानना ये जरूरी है कि in primary condition the speed was x kilometer per hour, distance traveled 300 kilometer, so time taken by the train is 300 upon x hour. Now speed now increased by 10 kilometer, so now new speed become x plus 10, so confirmly the time taken by the train will be less. So now according to question, 300 upon x minus 300 upon x plus 10, this will be equal to 1 hour, because the 1 hour less time taken by the train. Now take common 300, we have 1 upon x minus 1 upon x plus 10 equal to 1. 300 is common, inside the bracket x plus 10 minus x upon LCM is x into x plus 10 equal to 1. X and x cancel out, so now we have 3000 equal to x into x plus 10. If we arrange this equation, so this become x square plus 10x minus 3000 equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. After solving this, we get the value of x, which shows the speed of the train. So these are some important problems in which we studied how can we convert the given word problem into the quadratic equation. So this is the first priority when we studied start of quadratic equation. So we should be in the condition that we convert the given word problem into quadratic equation. Okay, thank you.